Hi everyone. Today I am going to speak about the Honda CB300F accessories. Everyone, when they buy the new bike, they must or they should be going to purchase the accessories for their bike, because like accessories like crash guard, they're going to help their bike avoid damage when the bike is going to fail or any accident is going to happen. Really, it is a must. Coming to Honda CB300F, Honda Big Wing showroom is not going to provide any of the crash guard. Even Honda is not going to sell you any of the crash guard. What I did is, like, after inquiry with the Honda Big Wing, they suggested me to go with Zana crash guard. That's what they are going to suggest. Even they are going to recommend to install the Zana, because Zana has designed this crash guard particularly for CB300F, because they are the one who designing for most of the bikes for like Honda Big Wing bikes. They are going to design some of the accessories. You can see like the Zana crash guard over here. Let me show you at the other end also. This is how it looks. You can have a very good look at this view. This is a must. You should install as soon as you got this bike, because even Honda is not going to provide any. I think even Honda is not designed any crash guard for this. Just you are going to get this bike without any crash guard. I don't know why Honda made like this. Really, I felt very bad regarding this Honda. If you are seeing this, please come up with crash guards. Now I'm going to show the oil cooled radiator over here. As this bike comes with oil cooled engine, you can see the radiator over here. Whatever the mesh you are seeing is, that is also comes with Zana. Okay, I forgot to mention what is the cost of the Zana crash guard. It comes with 4,200 rupees, including fitment charges. And coming to this radiator mesh guard, this comes around 1,200 rupees. You should install it must, because you can see like the front mudguard of this engine, rear mudguard. This is very short. Whenever you are riding the bike, most of the dirt which is coming through this bike, it is going to hit this radiator. Even the small sand particles or small stones, they are going to hit this mesh, and what are the meshes there inside the cooling fins, they are going to get damaged because of sand particles hitting those fins. As soon as you took this bike, you should install this radiator. Take my word seriously, guys. If you are not going to install this, you are going to regret, because the cooling fins are going to get damaged within 1 week. You can see the damages, because I have installed this Zana crash guard. You can see like none of my cooling fins are damaged. I have seen many people, they are not installed, instantly the fins are damaged because of the sand particles hitting the fins. It just cost you around 1,200 rupees. Okay, coming to the very next accessory, what I have fixed is like rear tire hugger. I think any bike accessories where they sell in the market, you can go and buy this. This cost you around 1,000 rupees, including the shipment charges. You should install, because what I have experienced is, like, whenever you're riding the bike in the rainy season, the person who is sitting at the rear, all the water particles are the dirt water is going to split over him. You should install this one. I think from this view you can get in. The bike, most of the times, if it is in rainy season, or if you are going through muddy waters, it will become too much of dirt, this bike, because of this design. I think these are the only 3 accessories you should install as soon as you purchase this bike. And also another accessory is like mobile mount. I think everyone are going to install as soon as they got their bike nowadays. That is the one they are not going to miss. Okay, thank you guys.